Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to use the cPanel file manager. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official cPanel website right here at cPanel.net. If you're not already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here in the upper right corner. You can get started managing your account. So as you can see, you have the option to go ahead and register for a new account if you do not already have one, and if you have one, just go ahead and log in. And after logging in successfully and setting up cPanel on your computer, you'll be able to access it, and it's going to look like this. This is going to be your dashboard where you can find all the options that you need to access. As you can see here, we have an article on the official cPanel.net website where you can get started with seeing how to use file manager and everything that you can use file manager for. So if you need any info regarding file manager, or how to use it, any steps that you need, you can find it directly in this article. But to open it up directly, you're going to be able to use your dashboard right here. So here is our cPanel, and as you can see under the file section right here in the main menu dashboard, you'll be able to find file manager. So what you want to do is go ahead and open a file manager. So once you open a file manager, you can get started with using all the settings that you have and that you need for managing your files using the dashboard directly, and it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.